Say, you're my friend. And they might see you want to fight against you. Whoa. Whoa. Move it, Lulu. Come on, man. Move up. Hey. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hello. How are you? You good? Hello. Come on. Let's go. Chop, chop. Here's how I walk through the valley of shadows. I fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Yeah. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my... Hey? Yay? Eh?
Take no notice of them.
I know, man, I'm not.
No, they're just bark.
I know. And then just defending the woods.
Hello, sweetie. They're on at you.
Yeah. Hey. What's her name?
Oh, that's Nora.
Nora.
And this one's only one.
Oh, it's one.
Yeah.
Trouble and big trouble.
Trouble and big trouble.
Who's Gizmo?
Well, I'm a dog friendly person, so I know when a dog is like really, really, really that bad,
Yeah.
then really, really terrible.
Yeah. One lady said to me that
Need a bag.
a dog trainer said that they're frightened, but I don't know.
No, they've just been dogs. You see, they're quiet now, and they've just been dogs, and that's what dogs do.
We were all right when we had the old one.
Mm.
There was no trouble. Once we had the other one, I think they formed a pack.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
back up.
And they're just frightened to see me just coming through the bush there a while ago.
Yeah.
That's why they come down and they just stop with my dog. And my dog didn't even say nothing because, you know, say,
Where are you from?
original?
Yeah.
I'm a born Jamaican.
Yeah, you look great.
Thank you, you look great. Where are you from?
Oh, we're just from the UK, but we love the Caribbean and all
Okay.
that. Oh, if only we could go back, but it's so long on the plane.
Yeah.
I'm tired. Yeah.
I know, man. It take long up on the plane and on the ship.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
9 hours on the plane, around 2 weeks on the ship.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, but...
What brought you to the UK?
Hmm?
What brought you to the UK?
My family been over here from ever since, you know.
Have you? You sound
Yeah.
quite an accent, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My family's been here from before even Windrush.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because Jamaica is like, Jamaica used to run by the Spanish, then British take over.
Yeah.
So we become the part of the Commonwealth country.
Yeah.
So yeah, we have the right can come over here for like as long as you want, you know.
Yeah. Oh, we love it out there.
Yeah.
We had some good times, didn't we?
For 2 pins, I'd live there. I think the people are nicer.
Of course, but they keep telling the people that we're horrible. And don't go to some of the place them and don't do this and don't do that. And when they go there, they have a lovely time because, you know, Jamaican people is all about smile and love and unity and
happiness. And some of them haven't got a lot, but they're not miserable.
well, you see the poorest people in the world, you know, they are the ones you see smiling all the time. If you go to look at Africa, they don't have nothing. And every day you see them smiling and laughing and going about their ways.
Weird, isn't it?
It is weird.
You know, a lot of the people here are quite sort of well off, and then miserable so-and-sos.
Exactly. Exactly.
Anyway, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, yeah. Come on, Lulu. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, get the ball and come. Come on. Go on. Chop, chop. Up. Yeah. Yeah. This is why I love my life the way it is. Yeah. I don't want to be rich to live. Yeah. Hey, get it. Come on. Chop, chop. Oh, man. Okay. Right, because I'm still rolling, I think. So I can just put it like that and roll. Ha, 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 ha. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. People, I'm not doing a striptease, but this shirt is wet. And it's wet, so I need to change it. Put a dry one on. Hey. Get me a dry one. Oh. You all right?
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah. Can you get out there?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Cheers, though.
No worries. Okay. Yes, and that's it. Whoop. Peace out. Okay.